Tiger, I swear to God, it stays closed. Ah! It stays closed! Ah! It stays closed!
Don't put it on my clothes!
I will! I will! I will!
I'll get you!
Alright! Stay back. Stay back. Tiger, it's my turn to retaliate.
No fucking cheese!
Hold on a second, Tiger, no! That stays closed. Be careful with your damn shirt. Be careful. Tiger, it stays closed. This is my last transfer story I write for goddamn jacket. Here's my shirt.
Oh, this is the other one!
I was gonna buy one for you. As a Christmas present. There, you have to. Okay. Okay. Let me do the cheese first. That looks like you're bald now.
What is that anyway? Shaving cream.
Sorry, Sharon?
I don't know how I got into this. I don't know. I didn't do a thing. I was just laying there just like